Pushrod Fury.
Hey, Pushrod Fury here. Got the Harbor Freight Ultrasonic cleaner. Now, you used to be able to get these like laboratory grade cleaners on Amazon for 50 bucks before the pandemic, but I guess everybody figured out they're really useful. And now they're super expensive, so I picked up the Harbor Freight model hoping it would work. They're pretty simple devices. It's got heat and time on there. And I threw in one of my H1 carbs because I didn't clean it with an ultrasonic cleaner, and I don't know if some of that scale will come out. I mean, you guys seen the video. If you haven't seen the video, watch it. But these things were a nightmare. I mean, they were packed with dirt, so I'm sure there's probably dirt still in places I couldn't get to. So I'm going to fill this up with a combination of Simple Green and water. I'll be right back. I don't think I can. I don't have a stand for this camera, so trust me, I'm going to fill it with water and Simple Green. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to turn this on. All right, let's take a peek. It's a little cleaner. The kind of scale, I guess, that's oxidation just doesn't come out. But this is a lot cleaner than it went in. Let's see if we can get a better angle of this. Oops. Put this down. Let me show you the next victim. Again, I'm trying to make sure the passages are clear. And you can see they all have that oxidation that I tried to get rid of. It doesn't really come off that easily. So we'll throw this one in, see what happens next. And after cleaning all three carbs, I wanted to show you what came out. So all that dirt was in my carburetors that I thought I did a really thorough job cleaning, but this ultrasonic cleaner really drives out that kind of hidden grime from all the ports. So it looks like it did its job. We'll start the bike up and see how it runs. Well, we saw the footage of the Harbor Freight Ultrasonic cleaner in action. It worked out pretty well. It cleaned the carbs very nicely. You can see all the debris that was left in that pan, but I had to stop and I couldn't go on to do a start video. And I also thought it didn't really make much sense. I've got a lot of other work to do to get that bike dialed in, but the for $89, the ultrasonic cleaner performed. Could it be better? I wish it was a little bit deeper. So I wish instead of like a 2.5 liter, it was like a 3.25 liter. That would be fantastic, and allow you to get the entire carburetor body immersed in the cleaning solution. And I was using about a 25% Simple Green solution as the cleaner, and I also turned the heat on it, so it had that nice heated ultrasonic cleaning. And then the other thing I want to point out is in the video it's so loud, but that's because it's causing interference with the camera. So it's actually pretty quiet. It's kind of like a zzz sound. It's not deafening. So yeah, if you need to clean your carbs or other small parts, go grab one. They're inexpensive enough and it worked great. So I hope this helped you guys, and leave some comments and questions. Happy to answer anything, and let me know about your success stories with the Harbor Freight Ultrasonic cleaner. And by the way, obviously they are not sponsoring this. I just needed an ultrasonic cleaner and wanted to have it the same day and not spend over $100 on it. So thanks for watching. And yeah, just let me know if there's anything that you guys like to hear about, or if you have any questions about what we're doing. Thanks.